Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable push notifications on discounts and recommendations in the Trip.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down a bit, look for the notifications button and click on that. And at the push notifications section, look for the discounts and recommendations button. And in order to enable notifications on them, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turned blue, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.